Good morning, everyone. My name is Marcos Leonard Espolmer. That's my complete name. I like to talk about science, about Earth. The first planet is Mercury. It is closer apart from the sun.
Listen ka dito.
It has no water and no moons. It is so very hot because it's the first planet and it's very close to the sun. Next to Mercury is Venus. Venus is hot, but Venus does have water and the moon. Venus is hot too. Next to Venus is Earth, a place where we all live. There's only man, dogs, plants, and waters. There only special things live in the earth. Next to us is Mars. Mars got big mountains. The mountains are the highest, and the sand is red. Next to Mars is Jupiter. Jupiter is the biggest planet in the world, but
In the biggest planet in the universe?
the biggest planet into the universe. But the star is biggest into the universe than the sun, than the Jupiter. Jupiter is a big giant. His rings is made of dust spots. Next to Jupiter, Saturn. Saturn got beautiful ring.
Student
The ring. It is made of rocks and ice. It is a gas giant. Next to Saturn is Uranus. Uranus is a cold place too. It got rings. Next to Uranus is Neptune. Neptune is a very, very cold place. Neptune got 3 rings. It is color yellow. Goodbye. Good morning, Miss Anian.
That's the student. All is because of this book that is very interested in science. This is the first drawing also.
Mercury,
Sige.
Venus, Earth, and Mars. Mars, Jupiter, Saturn,
Uranus.
Neptune.
What happened to Pluto?
Pluto. Gamay kayo.
What happened to Pluto?
Ano? What happened to Pluto? Saman?
Why is he not a planet? Why is it not a planet anymore?
Because Pluto got Kasi ganun eh.
It's too small.
It's too small and
It's considered as a
it's considered as a not a planet.
it's a dwarf planet.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
See? That